Welcome back. Here is my original file for my box. We have the actual box and then we have the lid right here. I have already split that using that file in another YouTube video, and now here is just my lid. That gave me the opportunity to edit the top of my lid. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split this again, and I just want my bottom, so I'm going to use my line here. I create a sketch, finish. I'm using that line as a reference point, and I'm going to split it right down that line and delete the top part of my box, the lid. So I'm going to go to the split tool. I'm going to use the trim solid. I'm going to select the line. It's pointing in the wrong direction, so I flip it, go ahead and hit apply, and then hit cancel, and now I have just my bottom part of my box. And as you can see, there's an actual floor to my box here. If you do not have a floor, that means that you dimensioned something wrong earlier on, and you better go fix that. I'm going to go up here, go File, Save As, and I'm going to call this Simple Circle Box 2014, and I'm going to call it Bottom. Save that. So now I have the bottom and I have my lid. I now want to assemble those. So I'm going to go up to New. I'm going to create a standard assembly. Create. And I now want to assemble my two pieces. So I'm going to go up to Place. I'm going to find the file. Here is my lid. Here is my bottom. I'm going to click on the lid first, and I'm just going to zoom out here, and I'm going to click Anywhere. And I just place that into my document. I'm not going to place any, don't place more than one time. I'm going to now click on Place again. I'm going to place my bottom, and I can click anywhere. I'm just going to kind of get somewhat lined up and click here. I'm going to hit the escape key to get out of that, and now I'm going to align these two. So right now you can see that they're not lined up. I need to constrain them, so I'm going to click on my constrain button up here, and I need to pick a surface to constrain these two. So I'm going to constrain the lip here. So I'm going to click on the lip, and I'm going to click on the inside lip of here. Bada bing, bada boom. It looks like it is constrained. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to check this out. Now, my simple circle box only needed one constraint, and if I bring it down here and I kind of mill around, you can see that the outside of my lid is flush with the outside of my box. And if I flip my views here, let me go to home, let me flip it around. You can flip through them and make sure all the views, there we go, are correct, and it's flush on all of them. And then you can move this up and down. If your box is a little more complicated than mine, you can use two constraints to make sure that your box is lining up. Once you're done with this, you're going to save it, and then in the next YouTube video I will show you how to create a drawing, a section drawing, and we will make sure that this lip is lined up.